Hello everyone, my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badani and today's date is 7th December 2021 and today's video topic is string constant pull. So string constant pull is important part of the string. So now we discuss about the string. So what is string? String is a sequence of character. String is a non-primitive data type and string is an object that represents the sequence of character. So how to create the string? There are two ways to create the string. First is by using string literal and second is by using new keyword. So first is by using a string literal. In the string literal, its example is string s equal to in double quotes there is suppose Java name is present. So is in double quotes Java name is we know the the Java name we can say the is a string literal. So its object create in the SCP memory and second is by using new keyword. So if we are create the string by using new keyword, so there are two objects are created in the memory area. There are two objects are allocated in the memory. So its example is string s2 equal to new string and in a bracket double inverted comma, in a double inverted comma there is Python name is present. So Python name is a string literal. So there are two objects are created in the memory area. First object is created in the heap memory area and the second object is created in the SCP memory area. So we discuss about the SCP memory and heap memory area. So there is a memory present in the memory. Heap memory area are present in the memory and in the heap memory area the SCP memory area are present in the heap memory. So we can say the in the heap memory one object by if we are create the string by using new keyword, so one object are created in the heap memory area and other object is created in the heap memory and in heap memory the SCP memory area are present. So second object is allocated in the SCP memory area. So now we can take or two examples. Suppose we are create this string by using string literal. String s1 equal to in double inverted comma there is animal name is present. So animal name is a string literal and its object created in the SCP memory area and second is by using new keyword string s2 equal to new string in bracket double inverted comma animal name is present. So there is by using new keyword two objects are created but the same name object are present in the SCP memory area. So in the SCP memory area the animal name object will be checked. The JVM will be checked in the SCP memory area. If the animal name object is already present, then he don't create the animal object and he don't create the animal name object, but JVM is refer the animal, but JVM is refer the animal object in the SCP memory area to the S2 string, and one object is present in the heap memory area. The drawback of the SCP memory area is we can not change the string, because string is immutable in the Java. So in the SCP memory area, copy objects are not created in the SCP, and in the string constant pool there is only original object is present, and his original object refer by the JVM to other string if we are create the same literal in the other string. So next is a string is immutable in the Java. So string immutable means we cannot change it, means if we are edit the string, so it cannot be changed. We discuss its example. First we are create the one string that is a literal, that is S1 equal to in double inverted comma animal name is present. So animal name is string literal, and its object created in the SCP memory area. And second is by using new keyword, the string S2 equal to new string in bracket animal name is present. Sorry, animal not, there is Python name is present. If we are concat the two if we are concat the two strings, so the JVM create the new object in the memory. That means we can say the string cannot be edited, means if we are adding the string S1 and string S2, both string add, so new object will be created in the memory area. So we can say the previous string is cannot edit in the Java. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.